It is my distinct pleasure and honor to introduce to you the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Melvie Mutia. Ryan.
Tabgarot.
Tani mo park, guys.
Dito. Start ano yung start.
From sino na yung sige.
I just can't believe that you are mine now. You're just a dream that I once knew. You're all I need to be here forevermore. Cover and salvation through this life. And girls within arms reach. All we know is it knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is long, so forever is my time. 'Cause he knows that he's there to time upon us. We are blessed by his.
Kumanta na mo, Ryan. Will you,
Kaya magulang sa buhay.
Ryan Mutia, knowing this woman's love for you
Bibi.
and returning it, realizing her strengths and learning from them, recognizing her weaknesses and helping her to overcome them, take Melvie Padayhag to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Actually, ang akong pangutana is, will you? So, ang angay nga tumag, I will. I will. Okay. No. It is important mga igsoon sa kasal nga atong masabtan na I will gyud no dili lang ang kay ang gugma man gud dili lang gud ibase bitaw sa romantic feelings. It is based on a decision, an exercise of our will. No? Mao na nga I will gyud.
I will do.
Nya ingna si
I
I,
Ryan
Ryan,
take you
thank you
Melvie
Grian.
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
in sickness or in health,
Nangisi si Bibi.
in sickness and in health,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and
for better or for worse,
for better or worse,
forsaking all others,
forsaking all others,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
So help me God.
So help me.
Yun nagtitingog ang pastor, no? Kanang ang ihang.
It's your turn,
tingog
Rose.
ba?
Diction niya ba?
Oh, nice.
Will you, Melvie,
Lahirap sa ka Canada.
returning it, realizing his strengths and learning from them, recognizing his weaknesses and helping him to overcome them, take Ryan Mutia to be your lawfully
Samot yun na si
wedded
Bibi.
husband.
Melvie padayhag mo niya.
I will.
Na-em na yun. Ning-up na gamoy sa pa dito.
Can you repeat after me? I, Melvie, take you, Ryan, to be my lawfully
twins.
wedded husband.
to be my lawfully wedded husband
From this day forward,
from this day forward,
in sickness or in health,
in sickness and in health,
for richer or for poorer,
richer and for poor,
for for better or for worse,
Karon grabe.
forsaking all others,
All
until
others.
death do us part.
until death do us part.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Panunumpa.
Mori na kanindot sa Christian wedding. Reasons for me to say, take all the pain,
Nice.
all of the things I do, all of them meant for you.
Wow. Nice.
Pirmahan na sa magtiayon, pirmahan na sa mga maninoy ug maninay, ug napirmahan na pod nako. By the authority vested upon me as minister of the gospel and as a public servant of the Republic of the Philippines, with authority to solemnize marriages, registration number
Oh, nagina siya.
2022-29-ZZ. Brothers and sisters, friends, family, relatives, it is my distinct pleasure and honor to introduce to you the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Melvie Mutia. And now kiss me.
Kay kajuta ra oy. Wala. 5 counts, 5 counts.
So we have now 5, no?
Ah.
So para makuha yun, so 5 seconds, we have 5 seconds para makuha nila. Ready? Kiss and tell.
I-open na gitaklo ba?
1, 2, 3, 4. Four in the hand. 5. Let's greet them with a happy round of applause.
Alright, thank you so much. You may now all take your seats, mga ma'am and sir. Ladies.
Dagwa pa ka mo driver. Pero siya yung mother, yung kaluhan mo yung picture. Sabihin na, gapa kaya hapit ng tanang menu pero wala nang salo. Ipikipit is win lang. Pictures to others.
Sa atin daw, di ba akong gilantabi? Tapos dahil makaani nga mag-sungko